Have you noticed the recent surge in gold and silver prices? Quite the spectacle, isn't it? As we march forward into 2024, these precious metals have been hitting new highs, a trend driven by a confluence of factors. Firstly, the US dollar has been flexing less muscle against other major currencies, painting gold and silver, priced in dollars, in an attractive light for those seeking a hedge against inflation. Secondly, the geopolitical stage is heating up. Rising tensions between Russia and Ukraine, alongside other global hotspots, have investors scrambling for safe haven assets like gold. Thirdly, the specter of inflation looms large. Gold and silver, traditionally seen as inflation buffers, are experiencing a rise in demand as the value of fiat currencies wavers. Lastly, the Federal Reserve's low interest rates have made these metals sparkle brighter compared to interest-bearing assets like bonds. These factors have led to a rush among investors to secure their wealth in these precious metals. So, where could these prices go from here? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The analysts, as you might expect, are split. On one hand, we have the bulls. They're feeling confident, predicting that gold could reach up to $2,500 an ounce or even higher in the coming months. They're pointing to the weak dollar, the geopolitical tension, and the low interest rates as signs that the rally isn't over just yet. On the flip side, we have the bears. They're warning us, saying, hey, this surge in gold and silver might be a bit too good to last. They're worried about a rebound in the dollar or a shift in Federal Reserve policy that could trigger a correction. So, the crystal ball is a bit cloudy, isn't it? As we can see, the future of gold and silver prices remains uncertain, with potential for both growth and correction. So, what does this mean for you as an investor? Let's delve into that. Gold and silver, like all assets, come with their fair share of volatility. Their prices can and do fluctuate, sometimes significantly in the short term. This is a reality every investor must understand and be prepared for. But here's another crucial point: diversification. While gold and silver have their merits, they should not be the sole components of your investment portfolio. A well-diversified investment spread can help mitigate risks and offer a balanced return potential. And of course, individual factors play a key role. Each investor should carefully consider their own risk tolerance and investment goals before venturing into gold or silver. It's about aligning these precious metals with your overall financial strategy and objectives. Whether prices will continue to rise or face a correction, it's important to consider your investment strategy and ensure you're prepared for all potential outcomes.